This one likes Uriah. Aww. Come over here, Uriah. Go over there. Go over by the edge. Over there. Oh.
This one crawling back.
Look at it. It's following Uriah everywhere he goes.
This one crawled back into there. Where's the third one?
Do you
Behind you. Right behind you.
Yeah. Uriah, come back this way.
Oh my goodness.
Come back this way, Uriah. Come on, sweetie. Come on.
Did it fall down the steps?
It's following Uriah. Go over by your mommy.
No one likes you.
Yeah.
It was following him anyway. Hey, kitty.
Come here.
Come on.
Look at that. Crawls inside there. You like it, huh?
Yeah, it's probably alright if most of you